Toot me, and then just toot me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Wow! Super serious fun show! Got it? Yeah! Respect!
Hi, you little cream puffs and other stuffs. So basically, this is my show, and this is the intro. Hope you like it. Tell me what you think, because I want to know. Do I? Yes. Whoa! Hi, how's it going? Mind my hair, mind my greasiness. I had a really bad haircut. Very, 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 very bad haircut. Really bad haircut. But that's okay. I'm happy. Are you happy? I'm really happy. I know I'm talking really fast, but that's okay. It's because I need to hurry, and I just wanted to talk about yawns for a second. Yeah, that's right, yawns. Yeah, that kind. I love when people yawn. I think it's cute. Some people think it's attractive because I think it's cute when people go, because I'm like, hey, you're tired. You're tired. It's so cute. You're yawning. Anyways, bye.